2.2 quadratic equation lesson number 2 practice set 2.2. There is a factorization method. We have to solve the quadratic equation by three methods. First is factorization method, second is complete square method, and third is formula method. But from last year, due to coronavirus, the syllabus is short and syllabus is omitted. For some chapters, for some concepts are omitted. So complete square method last year is also omitted, and now in this year is also omitted. So we have to learn two methods for solving the quadratic equation, is factorization method and formula method. So for this first factorization method, what is meant by factorization method? Suppose example is x square plus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So first we see here the coefficient of x square or whatever may be in another variable equation y, z. Coefficient of this square term is only 1. Then factorize the third term only. When there is a 1, that is the coefficient of x square is 1, then only factorize the third term. Third term is plus 24, therefore here is plus 24. Now we have to find the factors of 24. For finding the factors of 24, we have to know that in which table the 24 is present. Therefore, table learning must be compulsory. So 24 factorize in 24 becomes in 24 1 are 24. 24 के टेबल में 24 है. Then 12 2s are 24. First 1, 24 1s are. Then second 2s are. Which 2s are 24? 12 2s are 24. Then 3s are. 3 8s are 24. Then 4 6s are 24. Again 5 के टेबल में 24 नहीं है. 6 4s are 24. That means 6 4s are 4 6s are. Same thing. So these are the possible factors for the 24. Now which pair we have to choose for this solving the quadratic equation? Here is the middle term is plus 10. So choose that pair whose multiplication is 24 but addition or subtraction, either addition or subtraction will be 10 plus 10. So 24 plus 1 is 25, 24 minus 1 is 23. There is no 10 in addition and subtraction, so this one is cancelled. 12 minus 2, that is 10, but 12 plus 2 is 14. So only one condition is there. So we have to check whether this one is right or wrong. Here is plus 10. The condition is that the sign of the middle term gives always bigger number. Sign of the middle term gives always bigger number. So 12 is bigger than 2. 12 in 2 and 12 में 12 बड़ा है. So plus is here. Now we want subtraction. That is 12 minus 2 is 10. That is 12 minus 2 is the subtraction. When there is coming the subtraction, here is plus and here is minus, then only the subtraction will be possible. Different sign, subtraction. So here is plus, here is minus. But plus 12 and minus 2 इनका जो multiplication है, plus 12 आणि minus 2 यांचा multiplication म्हणजे गुणाकार काय होईल? minus 24 because only one number have the minus sign in multiplication, therefore the answer becomes minus. So minus 24, but my term is plus 24. Here is not minus 24, so this pair is cancelled. 8 plus 3 11, 8 minus 3 is 5, so this is also cancelled. Only one term is remaining. 6 plus 4 is 10. So take this 1x square as it is plus. Now this plus 10 को हम क्या लिखेंगे? 6 plus 4. So 6, इसको भी x दिया, 4 इसको भी x दिया, plus 24 is equal to 0. 10x के बजाय 6x plus 4x. Okay. So here is 2 terms and here is 2 terms. There are total 4 terms. First 2 terms we have to take the common something. What will be the common? X is common. So x taken outside. Here 1x is remaining. 2x here. So 1x here, 1x here. So it becomes x square. Now here x outside. So 6 only remaining. Okay. Plus here x, but in this term there is no x, so x will not be common. So 4 is common because here is 4 and also 4 6 are 24. Here is also 4 present, so 4 taken common. X as it is plus 4 6 are 24. अगर ये आपको समझता नहीं है तो ये जो ब्रैकेट है डायरेक्टली इस तरीके से लिख देना है और सॉल्व. ये सेम आए इसलिए ये कॉमन निकालते हैं. सो ये कॉमन निकालने के बाद अगर सूझ नहीं रहा है क्या होने वाला है, क्या चाहिए, तो ये उठा के यहाँ पे रख देने का है. x plus 4 sorry x plus 6 here also. So x plus 6 will be taken common. What will remaining? This x plus 4 is written in another bracket is equal to 0. Here multiplication of two things is equal to 0. That means either this will be 0 or this will be 0. So take x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x plus 4 plus 6 becomes, getting the other side we get minus 6. X is equal to plus 4 taken this side becomes minus 4. So x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to minus 4 are the factors of these given equations. Okay, this is the factorization method. First we have to choose the factors and then solve the equation. Actual equation solving is this part is in rough side we have taken or in either side of the page. We have to calculate these calculations. Okay, so this is first. Now if coefficient of x square is another than 1, then what will be done? Equation is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now here 2 is the coefficient another than 1. 2 is the coefficient of this y square. So we have to take multiplication of this coefficient and the last term, that is 2 into 13. Whatever that 13 to the 26. So we have to factorize this 26, not the 13. We have to factorize the 26. Now what will be the factors of 26? 26 1 are 26, then 13 2 are 26. So none other than the factors of this. Only do two pairs of the factors of 26 is 26 1 and 13 2 are. Okay. Now if we take on 26 plus 1 27, that is the middle term. 13 plus 2 is 15 and 13 minus 2 is 11. So this pair is not taken. So 26 plus 1. So 2y square as it is. Write the 27 as 26 plus 1. So 26y plus 1y plus 13 is इक्वल टू 0. 27y कॉमन इस तरीके में लिखो. Now it becomes 4 terms. Okay. So what will be the common from these two terms? Y is common. Also 2 is common. 2y. Okay. Here 1y is remaining plus 2 13s are 26. 2 13s are 26. So 13 is here. Here y, here not y. So y is not taken common. 1 is only common because 13 is the prime number. So 1. Here again y plus 13 written as it is equal to 0. Now y plus 13 and y plus 13 common. What will be remaining? 2y plus 1 in another bracket. So y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Taken first this is equal to 0 and then this is equal to 0. Y is equal to plus 13 going to this side become minus 13. 2y. Now this plus 1 becomes minus 1. Here 2 into y, that is 1 letter and 1 number. There is always multiplication sign. So plus multiplied 2 becomes divide by. Y is equal to minus 1 as it is and this multiplication goes to divide. So y is equal to minus 13 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the factors of this given equation. When there is 1, only factorize third term. When there is number another than 1, then take the multiplication of this coefficient and third term and then factorize the number. Only difference is there.